I'm showing an up close of this door, which was restored on the bottom. We've seen the actual steel work, but what we're showing you here is it's been through a sandblasting process, taken right down to the metal. You can see the blend between where the door was welded and, well, actually you can't see it, that's the beauty of this, and where the new steel is and where the old steel is, you really can't tell. It's going to require very little body work right there. So just showing you that we sandblasted that, as well as several other components to this. Jump seats, the rear header bar, jump seats, that right there is the hardtop side, as well as the windshield frame over here, and the other hardtop side as well, and the jump seats have been sandblasted. We've also done some sandblasting on spare tire carrier, which was in fine shape and should restore quite nicely and go into paint quite nicely. A couple of the little things are yet to be sandblasted, and we're working towards that. So overall, this project is going to be going into bodywork and paint very shortly.